Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Mechanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be doing an axle assembly swap on my 2015 Chevy Silverado. So the axle that I have on there now is a GU6 G80 setup, 9.5 inch ring gear, and I had some issues with the axle bearings where I had metal shavings run through the entire diff causing failure. So I have to replace the entire diff, the carrier, the spider gears. I mean, there's metal throughout the whole thing. So, and yeah, the quick fix would be to just replace the entire axle assembly. Now I'll be replacing it with a 2018 year model axle assembly. Now this come off a LTZ High Country model with a 6.2 motor on there, and I was worried about compatibility, but I was rest assured that everything should just bolt up just fine. The difference between my old diff there and then this replacement one is that this has it's a 9.5 axle assembly, but it has a 9.76 ring gear and 9.76 carrier installed. Now, this is because it has the match trailering tow package with the larger ring and pinion. So it's kind of an upgrade in a sense of that when you look at it, and I got this for a pretty decent price. So in my old one I have Nitro 456 gears. This replacement one also has 456 gears. I took it to a shop and had a buddy of mine, Craig, put it all together for me. So we're dialed in there. All I need to do is drop the old one and slide this one in. Easier said than done. If you've been following my channel, then you know easier said than done is a real thing. So you'll get the gist of basically what I'm doing. I'll leave some helpful hints, throughout the video, kind of explaining, here or there what I'm running into and stuff. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll leave anything of interest, that I use in this video also in the comment section. So with that said, let's start mechanicking. Okay, so I got the replacement axle assembly slid in, and I've got this transmission jack, which is really helpful. Got this from Harbor Freight, and what's really neat about this is that it got these tilt functions. You got these knobs here that you can adjust the level from left to right, front to back. You can have it tilt up or tilt down. I made it really easy to slide it underneath, and all I needed to do was just line up these blocks. Use a rubber mallet, you know, to shim it left and right to make sure that the blocks were seated properly, and then slowly raise her up, and we're in a good spot right now. So we're going to keep organicing. All right, well, all that's left now is secure the emergency brake cables, the brake lines, and anything that needs to be fastened down. And then just a quick note, please refer to the service manual or go online to verify the torque specs for the U-bolts. They do vary by manufacturer, especially if you have a aftermarket lift kit. The torque specs definitely do vary. So again, be sure to check your documentation if you have a lift kit, an aftermarket lift kit, on the torque specs of your U-bolts, or refer to your service manual if it's a stock U-bolt.
24 hours later.
All right, well, it's the day after, and had a chance to take it out for a spin, and she drives just fine. There's no clinking, clunking, and whirling noises. Everything seems to be in good working order. I skipped the part where I put the tires back on and fastened down all the lines and everything, because that's kind of boring. It's kind of straightforward, but If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer them for you. So I'll have a link in the description below of anything that may be of interest, while doing this project. And yeah, next video I'm gonna go and take apart the old axle assembly and show you guys what happens when you've got a bad bearing. So I'll have a link in the description below for the things that I use in this project. And yeah, stay tuned. I got more stuff coming up. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's your Hawaiian Brokenic. Aloha.